Hello, buddy. What you're looking at here is a 1990 Craftmade Presidential 2. This fan I got off Habitat. The motor, actually. I got the motor off Habitat. And the blades came off 1993, I think. Craftmade decorative ceiling fan, in which I got from I got off a marketplace for free. There was 2 of them, and the one of them was in bad condition. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna scrap this one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just put the blades off of this onto my presidential. So I scrapped the decorative and put these blades on my Craftmade presidential. The light kit came off of Princeton. Actually, so basically I found 2 of these light kits at Habitat that likely came off Princeton's. So yeah. Turn it up to medium. And as you can see, it does wobble a little bit. High. As you can see, the blades are a little bit lagged a little bit. This fan is 4.5, as you can see right there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my video of my 1990 Craftmade Presidential 2 ceiling fan, and I am out.